Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this problem we are going to solve let g of x, which is equal to 3x squared plus x plus 1, show that there is a line tangent to the graph of f at 1 comma minus 1 and find its equation. Then solution we write here like this. The tangent line to the graph of g at 1 comma minus 1 exists if and only if the limit of g of x minus g of 1 divided by x minus 1 as x approaches to 1 must be exists. Here this exists. So now we write our equation. Our target is to solve the limit of this g of x. That means the limit of g of x as x g minus g of 1 divided by as x minus 1 x approaches to 1. Yes, here is written by the limit of, but here the value of g of x is given by minus 3x squared plus x plus 1. Yes, now the value of g of 1 is we put directly 1 from x. That means 3 times 1 the whole square plus 1 plus 1. We get minus 3. Yes, minus 3 plus 2, which is minus 1. So g of 1, which is equal to what? 1. Now minus 3x squared plus x plus 1. What's the value of g of 1? Which is minus 1. The whole divided by x minus 1 as x approaches to 1. Again, this is looks like the limit of we simplify our denominator. That means minus 3x squared plus x plus 1 minus of minus 1, which is 1, which is, then we get 2 divided by x minus 1 as x approaches to 1. Now we write again minus 3x squared plus x plus 1 is written as this is written by, we erase this part and we need to factorize the polynomial, which is given by minus 3x squared plus x plus 1. It is factorization form is written by minus 3x minus 2 times x minus 1. So now we put here minus 3x minus 2 times what? X minus 1. Our target is to eliminate x minus 1 from the denominator of our equation, so x approaches to 1. Now we easily eliminate x minus 1 by x minus 1. We get limit of what? Minus 3x minus 2 as x approaches to what? Minus 1. Now we get the linear function. Then we directly substitute what? The value of x, which is the limit of minus 3x plus 2 as x approaches to what? 1 is given. So this is written by 3 times 1 plus 2. We get minus 3 plus 2. This is what? Here is minus 2. Again, here is minus. The value of our slope is minus 5. Sorry for my mistake. Now the slope of this equation is minus 5. Again we write it. The slope of the equation is, that means m, which is equal to minus 5 here. Then consequently the graph of G has a tangent line at 1 comma minus 1, but the graph has tangent line what at point what 1 comma yes minus 1. Here is the point which the graph is tangent to, the what the point where the line is tangent to what the graph. That means we slope minus 5, and the equation is written by y minus of minus y naught, which is equal to m into what x minus x naught. Yes, this is the general equation of the line plus what p. Now y minus sorry, here is y minus y naught. That's not y minus y naught means minus of minus 1 minus of minus 1, which is equal to what is the value of m, which is minus 5 times x minus what the value of x naught is 1. Now y plus 1, which is equal to minus 5 in bracket x minus 1, yes, sorry, y which is equal to minus 5x, yes, plus 5, right? Then minus 1. Here y minus 5, sorry, plus 5x, yes, minus 4, which is equal to 0 is the general equation of this line. The line which is the tangent to the line which is tangent to the point at what p comma 1 minus 1, which is tangent to g of x at point 1 comma minus 1.